In the vast arena of wealth creation, it isn't simply about hard work. True, you could toil for 80 hours a week in a restaurant, but would that guarantee wealth? No. Wealth isn't just about the grind, it's about knowing what to do, with whom, and when. It's about the strategic understanding of where and how to apply your efforts. So, if you're not certain about what you should work on, take a step back. Figure it out first. Remember, it's the right direction that complements hard work. Imagine two individuals, Jane and Mark. Jane works tirelessly in a restaurant, clocking in 80 hours a week, serving customers and managing chores. On the other hand, Mark, also dedicated, spends his time researching market gaps, building connections, and starting a niche business. 10 years down the line, Jane is still at the restaurant, while Mark's strategic approach has allowed him to build a chain of them. Both worked hard, but Mark paired his effort with strategic insight. In today's fast-paced society, there are abundant opportunities to create wealth. But what's the real pathway to success? Is it just about relentless hard work? No, there's more to it. Let's explore the principles laid out by Naval Ravikant, renowned entrepreneur and angel investor, in his insightful Tweetstorm penned in 2018. Naval's Tweetstorm goes beyond conventional wisdom. It's about leveraging specialized knowledge, authenticity, and timing. He has famously explained his tweets, saying, "Of course, every one of these tweets can be extrapolated into an hour's worth of conversation." The Tweetstorm tries to be information-dense, concise, high-impact, and timeless. Join us as we delve into these capsules of wisdom that guide understanding what to work on, who to work with, and when to take action. Let's meet Mark again, our resourceful management consultant. Here, he's working with a tech startup, and a specific tweet from Naval's Tweetstorm caught his eye. Society will pay you for creating things it wants but doesn't yet know how to create. Mark deciphers this principle and guides the startup to innovate, scale, and meet an unseen demand. The tweet's wisdom turns into actionable strategies, and the startup flourishes. As seen here, wealth creation is hard work and a directed, intelligent effort. Mark's example shows how principles can turn into practice, one tweet at a time. In the digital age, your unique skills and passions aren't just hobbies, they can be your greatest asset. What if you could turn your expertise into a tangible product? This is what we mean by productize yourself. Let's explore this concept together. It starts with you, your unique essence and skill set. This journey begins with self-discovery, finding your niche, that one thing that differentiates you. Next, it's time to develop that skill, honing and enhancing it to perfection. Finally, we reach the phase of productization, where you can turn your unique skill into a sellable digital product. In a digital age, your creativity and innovation are not just traits, they are commodities. By aligning with your uniqueness, you can craft products that resonate with others and bring value to the market. Let's dive into how you can productize yourself, making your passion your profession. Meet Jane, a talented artist. By understanding her unique ability, she's turned her art into digital masterpieces that people can purchase online. Her love for art becomes her business. Join us, and let's explore how you can productize yourself, too. In our pursuit of success, we often equate wealth with money. But is that all there is? Let's delve into the distinction between wealth, which consists of assets that earn passively, and money, often viewed as social credits or having a high salary. Imagine owning a factory, a true asset that creates value. It generates income without your constant presence. That's wealth. Now, contrast this with a high-paying job that demands your time. That's money. The factory continues to produce, while the high salary ceases without effort. Join us as we unravel the difference between owning and earning, between wealth and money. Now, meet Jane, who owns a factory, and Tom, who has a high salary. Jane's factory continues to generate income even when she's not working. That's building wealth. Tom's high salary is substantial, but it requires his continual effort and ceases without him. That's earning money. This distinction guides us to focus on building assets, not just earning. Wealth creation is about more than money. It's about financial independence, freedom, and a lasting legacy. Technology is the great lever of our times, transforming the very essence of wealth creation. From the rich oil fields of the past century to today's sleek smartphones, technology drives progress. The dawn of the automotive age shifted wealth from oil tycoons to car magnates. Later, the information age moved the center of wealth to Silicon Valleys, where computers and smartphones dominate. Join us as we journey through the technological shifts that have redefined wealth creation. Today, technology's influence extends beyond traditional industries. It powers startups, enables global communication, and opens doors for individual creators. From tech-driven startups to YouTubers and online educators, technology democratizes wealth creation. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets are emerging as new frontiers of financial innovation. The role of technology in wealth creation is ever expanding, continually redefining boundaries and creating unparalleled opportunities.